Right here is where the weekly call is going to happen. You can participate online. You can participate on the phone. We've got lots of local numbers for lots of different countries. Check it out, see if one of them works for you. And remember too, it's actually not that hard to call in through Skype. You don't have to have a paid account. You can call in for free on the internet and participate that way. It works really great. So check out the Skype options. The other thing to check out here is the box where you can fill out and type in a question. So if you can't be here for our weekly call in our Sacred Circle, you can still enter in a question, and I will do my best to answer as many questions as I can each and every week, and then you'll hear your answer when you get your download. How wonderful is that? So right here, you're going to come back every week. You can type in questions. You can ask questions on the phone. You can ask questions online. It's up to you. There's lots of ways to participate. This is your space, your sacred circle, and I appreciate our connection. Thank you.